Are you searching for a job in accounts, MIS, back office? Are you not getting interview calls? Are you unable to crack the interviews? If your answer is yes to any one of these questions, then it's time to upgrade your skills and secure that dream job. Whether you're searching for a role in accounts, MIS, or back office, the right skills can open the door to countless opportunities. At S-TEK IT Education, we provide comprehensive training in essential areas like communication, advanced tally, advanced Excel, taxation, GST, income tax, PF, ESIC, PT, audit, MIS dashboard, and Power BI. By upgrading your skills, you'll not only boost your confidence, but also your employability. Our expert-led courses are designed to give you practical, hands-on experience, ensuring you're job-ready. And the best part? We offer guaranteed job placements. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity for career advancement. For more details, call or WhatsApp S-TEK IT Education Dombivli at 9136891666. Your dream job is just a skill upgrade away.